Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve these given logarithmic equations where our arguments are quadratic expressions, as you can see. And once again, one more thing, we have a different bases. We have a no base in this case. We have a base 5, and here we have a natural log. This is our very first example, and in this case we have a log of x squared minus 21 equals to 2, and there's a no base over here. So always remember, when there's a no base, by default it's supposed to be 10, and we call it a common log. Once again, a common log has a base 10. And now we are going to solve this equation, and we want to convert this logarithmic form into an exponential one. Therefore, we are going to use this fact from logarithmic form to an exponential form. So we're going to use this one here. This 10 is our base. So when we convert it from logarithmic to exponential, we're going to go 10 power 2 equals to this part. So let's go ahead and write it down. So this could be written as 10 power 2 equals to, our argument is x squared minus 21, this part. All right. So let's go ahead and simplify. 10 power 2 is 100 equal to x squared minus 21. Now let me isolate this x squared by just moving negative 21 on the other side. So we are going to have 100 plus 21 equal to x squared, or I can write x squared equals to 121. And since I want to undo this square, I can take a square root on both sides. So that means on the left hand side we're going to have x equal to positive or negative 11. When we split these two signs, we're going to have x equal to positive 11 and x equal to negative 11, two solutions. And here is our final solution. And here is our next example, and we are going to solve this log of x squared plus 8x minus 3 with a base 5 equal to 3. And we want to convert this equation into exponential form. And we are going to use this fact when we convert from logarithmic form to an exponential form. Let's go ahead and start working on this thing. Our base is 5, as you can see. So base power this 3 equals to this part. So once again, 5 power 3 equal to this argument. Let me just go ahead and write down. So this could be written as into exponential form as 5 power 3 equal to x squared plus 8x minus 3. Let's go ahead and simplify. 5 power 3 is going to give us 125. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125 equal to x squared plus 8x minus 3. Now let's move this 125 on the right hand side. We're going to get a 0 on the left hand side equal to x squared plus 8x minus 3 minus 125. If we simplify, we can write this one as x squared plus 8x minus 128 equal to 0. And this is our quadratic equation, so it can be easily factored out into x plus 16 times x minus 8. All right. And now, since these two factors are equal to 0, I can separate them. I can split them. X plus 16 equal to 0, and the other one is going to be x minus 8 equal to 0. So one of our solutions is going to be x equal to negative 16, and the other one is going to be x equal to positive 8. And here is our final solution set, negative 16 and 8. And here is our final example. We are going to solve this natural log of x squared minus 9x plus 15 equal to 0. Once again, ln means natural log. And natural log has a base e, always base e. And natural log of x could be written as log of x with the base e. And the value of e is always equal to, approximately equal to 2.718. Let's go ahead and use this fact, and we can write this natural log into log with the base e of x squared minus 9x plus 15 equal to 0. Now we are going to convert this logarithmic form into an exponential form by using this fact. This is our logarithmic form, and we are going to convert into exponential form. So let's go ahead and do that one. Our base is e, and when we convert into a exponential form, e power 0 equals to this argument. So let's go ahead and write that thing. So we can write e power 0 equal to x squared minus 9x plus 15. All right. We know that anything power 0, e power 0 is 1 equal to x squared minus 9x plus 15. Let's move this 1 on the right hand side. So we are going to get 0 equal to x squared minus 9x plus 15, and this 1 is going to become negative 1 when we move it on the right hand side. So let's simplify this one. That's going to give us x squared minus 9x plus 14 equal to 0. And this is our quadratic equation, which can easily be factored out into x minus 2 and x minus 7, which is equal to 0. Since these two factors are equal to 0, I can separate them. I can write x minus 2 equal to 0 and x minus 7 equal to 0. So one of our solutions is going to be x equal to positive 2, and the other solution is going to be x equal to positive 7. So thus our solution set turns out to be a 2 and 7, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.